hi, I'm Ed.
And I'm Barb, and we're the Streeters.
We are, and this is Dixie. Dixie wants to say hi to everybody, and just for Christmas, thanks for sending Dixie some treats too. She loved them.
Yeah, we got a lot of treats for Christmas that we so appreciate. Thank you, friends and subscribers viewers.
Towards the end of the video, we'll remind you, we'll get just a little review of for the class starting on January 4th, and our Stained Glass 101 class. So we're going to give you a bird's eye view, actually a golf cart's eye view of Daddy Joe's Jellystone Park campground in Tabor City, North Carolina.
And the fun part about this park is it used to be part of an old family farm, and then they turned it into what? A hunting fishing preserve?
Yeah, they made it a guided hunting and fishing preserve. And the lakes that are here now, they used to use them to breed trout, and then they put in a stream that ran through the entire park, and they would fill the stream with trout, and then people would come in and pay to catch trout. So now it's just a catch and release, and the trout are still in the ponds. I kind of thought it was unusual because the people up front said that the fish bite on hot dogs. I should have known
that they knew what they were talking about.
That they knew what they were talking about because
we didn't bring the right bait.
So now it's since there is trout in here, we can use whole kernel corn with gold hooks, and so you can use a bobber with that, and it's a catch and release. But it's always fun to catch a fish.
Great place to bring the kids to learn how to fish.
There is so much going on around here for the kids in the summertime, y'all. All the campsites are pretty much open, so we're enjoying the solar energy that we're receiving on Artie throughout these really cold days. But I have a feeling in the summertime it would be quite brutal.
Yeah, they have a few shaded campsites, and we'll show you those. Really nice. So if you can get up there, I think they're 1, 2, 3, and 4 or something like that.
Like
those,
1 through 10, yeah.
We'll look and see, but yeah, grab those if you know you're coming in the summer, because you're definitely going to need that shade. But yeah. Spring, fall, winter, this is a perfect place. If you got solar panels, you'll have plenty of sun. To share with you a little bit, about who we really are. Artie RV, we use that as a promotional art vehicle. Yeah. And so we go from site to site, and this is just the beginning of many videos to come. So
it sure is. And again, just remember, if you're out this way traveling north and south on 95, I would imagine in the summertime you're going to need a reservation here at Daddy Joe's, but plan ahead, and all the sites are beautiful. Lakefront sites start in the 30s and go to the 40s as far as numbers go.
That's $30 and $40.
And then the campsites are usually just, I think it's $42 a night, full hookup. That's really great.
It is. And so the campsites are filling up, and we have few more days until New Year's. I expect by New Year's Eve this campsite will be packed.
Yeah, because
great place to bring the kids.
Sure is, and we're bugging out on the 30th.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
what used to be a cow pasture.
We're in the middle of a
pasture.
cow pasture on what used to be a farm, and this big white screen behind us. This is where they show movies, outdoor movies during the summertime. It is just really nice out here. It's a beautiful day. This morning when we woke up, it was 22 degrees.
Yeah. So we've been doing a lot of brainstorming about next year and what's going to happen in the upcoming months. We've been talking about the classes and the products that we're making. So we're hoping 2021 is going to be a better year than 2020.
For everybody.
Was,
for everybody. I think it's all going to be good. We just have to look forward to the future because we can't ever forget that we're all in this together. So anyway, listen, back to the class starting next Monday night on January the 4th. Go back to our previous video. It'll give you a list of some tools that you may want to get a hold of. You don't have to have a glass cutter.
Oh, I do have a link there now that will take you to an Amazon. It's got some of the tools that you're going to need. Not everything, but some of the tools.
Yeah, and we're not
just
promoting
look around there
the
and see what you
tools.
can find.
You can find a lot of different things on
But if you
the
need
internet.
something, we can get it for you.
Right. So I mean, we're not doing this class to sell you tools and to make money on
But
tools.
the good thing is you can go back, like say, well, I don't have my tools. Well, it doesn't matter because you can order your tools, then you can go back and watch the video. It's not like you're going to, even if you miss the class with your tools, you can still go back when the tools come in and watch it again.
And the very first class is only about cutting glass. That's it. We're going to learn about glass.